What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create and set up a privacy policy page into your WordPress website, all into a simple, fast and effective method without plugins and for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, remember, some services like ad services, Meta, advertising, Instagram, Google services requires that your site has a privacy policy page in order to submit and appear on ads. Okay, so you must create one. To create, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, but remember to access dashboard in the browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over settings. Okay, used to be one of the last options into the left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over it and click on privacy next to permalinks. If you see, we have a privacy guide right here, and we have some policies, some default policies from WordPress for WooCommerce. Really simple. Security. This is privacies that WordPress auto generates for you as soon as you activate some plugins. Okay, go to settings, create a new privacy policy page. I'm gonna create a new. This is the default privacy policy page that WordPress has. Okay, this is all that it needs in the case that you are using a default WordPress website, but of course the content on it may change according to your site type. So review the info you are collecting, review your Google Ads, review your Google Analytics, review your webmaster tools, review your tracking codes, review your store settings. I recommend even that you can talk with a lawyer, maybe. It's up to you. After, let's publish this page. Let me go back. If you go now to settings, privacy, this page is set to be your privacy policy page. Okay, so if it's some client on your WooCommerce try to find your site privacy policy, even if the page isn't linked on the menu, the page is gonna be present on it. But I recommend that you link this page. Okay, you can go to widgets and apply this page on your footer. You can go to customize and apply this page on your menu, all up to you and to your needs. But I highly recommend that you apply this page into some section of your site. Okay, and that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.